Do you remember that old school cartoon where Mickey Mouse and his friends visit a zoo at night, and they befriend some animals who come alive when no one is looking? Well, this video is much the same, except that this time there are no cartoons, only facts. So if you enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our mission. But for many nocturnal animals, this is their everyday reality. And to overcome these difficulties, they've evolved some incredible adaptations to help them get by. If you're lucky, you may have witnessed a firefly lighting up the darkness with its glowing tail. These nocturnal wonders are just a few of the many animals that come alive after dark, each with its own unique way of navigating and surviving in the shadows. But did you know that there are nocturnal hunters that rely on stealth and cunning rather than brute force? For example, the leopard is a master of disguise, able to blend seamlessly into its surroundings and stalk its prey undetected. Its powerful paws allow it to leap great distances, bringing it face to face with its unsuspecting victim. With lightning-fast reflexes, the leopard pounces and uses its razor-sharp teeth and claws to secure the kill. On the other hand, the barn owl has a different approach to hunting. With its heart-shaped face and exceptional hearing, it can detect the slightest rustle of its prey and swoop down from the sky with deadly precision. Its sharp talons are designed to grip and tear flesh, making it a formidable hunter of small mammals and snakes. Then there's the red fox, a cunning hunter who relies on its intelligence and adaptability to find food. It has a keen sense of smell that allows it to track down rodents and other small animals, which it then catches with its sharp teeth and powerful jaws. Despite their differences in size, shape, and hunting style, these nocturnal predators have one thing in common. They are essential to the balance of their ecosystems. By keeping populations of prey animals in check, they help ensure that the plants and animals around them can thrive. Take the tarsier, for example. This small primate has enormous eyes that gather as much light as possible, allowing it to see clearly in the dark. We hope you enjoyed exploring the nighttime zoo with us and learning about the incredible creatures that come alive after dark. Remember, every creature, big or small, plays an important role in the delicate balance of nature. So keep your eyes open and your spirits curious, because you never know what wonders you might discover in the great outdoors. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the nighttime zoo. We've had a wild time showing you some of the amazing creatures that call the night their own. But our adventures don't have to end here. If you want to keep exploring the world of nocturnal animals, we've got some resources to help you dive deeper into their fascinating world. So go on, keep exploring, and who knows what other nocturnal wonders you might discover. Until next time, happy adventuring. Its large ears can rotate 180 degrees, helping it pinpoint the source of any noise. Then there are the nocturnal bullfrogs, whose bulging eyes help them see predators coming from far away. Their webbed feet help them swim through the water with ease, making them efficient hunters. And let's not forget about the lesser hedgehog tenrec, a spiky ball of energy who spends his days hiding in burrows and his nights searching for insects. Thanks to its keen sense of smell and specialized teeth for crushing hard shells, this little creature is a true master of its domain. These are just a few examples of the many nocturnal animals that thrive in the darkness. Each has its own unique adaptations and behaviors that allow them to survive and flourish in the shadows. So keep your eyes peeled and your ears open. You never know what nocturnal wonders you might encounter after dark. For instance, owls can turn their heads almost 360 degrees to spot prey and predators lurking in the shadows. The wind seems to whisper through the trees and the crickets chirp softly in the grass. It's a peaceful sound, but there's more to it than meets the ear. You see, the nighttime is filled with a symphony of sounds, from the hoot of an owl to the bark of a dog. and each sound tells us something about the animal that makes it. For instance, the common purwilziri call can be heard across the night sky, and it uses this sound to attract a mate. Meanwhile, the gray tree frog's loud croaking helps it stay safe from predators by blending in with the chorus of other frogs. Even the Luna moth has its own unique sound, emitting a soft clicking noise as it flies around. And did you know that the cricket's chirp is actually a form of communication? By chirping, crickets can tell each other apart based on their species and sex. Listen closely to the rhythm of the cricket's chirp and you'll be able to tell if it is a male or female. The tempo of their chirping also changes depending on the temperature, which helps them communicate with each other in a unique way. So the next time you're out at night, take a moment to listen to the sounds around you. You might just learn something new about the nocturnal world. Their eyes, which are much larger than daytime predators, allow them to gather more light and see better in dim conditions. Plus, their exceptional hearing helps them pinpoint the exact location of their prey, allowing for a surprise attack. But owls aren't the only ones with special skills. Bats use echolocation to navigate and find food in the dark. They emit high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects, creating echoes that bats can interpret to build a mental map of their surroundings. Meanwhile, tigers have developed exceptional night vision and hearing, enabling them to stalk their prey silently and effectively. Their whiskers act as sensors, helping them detect the slightest movement or change in air currents, ensuring they stay one step ahead. These nocturnal animals have not only survived but thrived in their environments, thanks to these unique adaptations. Now let us begin our journey through the nighttime zoo and see which of these nocturnal animals you might bump into on your next visit after dark. So welcome to the nighttime zoo, where all the animals come alive once the sun goes down and humans are no longer around to watch them. Now, before we get started, just wanted to let you know that our goal is to make learning fun and engaging for everyone. Nocturnal adaptations. Imagine trying to navigate a dark and unfamiliar place with poor eyesight. It would be challenging, right? The night's masterpieces. Have you ever sat outside on a quiet night and heard the distant hoot of an owl or the chirp of crickets? The sounds of the night. Have you ever noticed how quiet it gets at night? The nighttime hunters. When you think of a hunter, you might imagine a fierce predator with sharp claws and teeth, ready to pounce on its prey at any moment. And there you have it, a glimpse into the magical world of nocturnal animals.